today I'm going to walk you through the winterization process for your Noovo van. This is going to be important when you're storing your Noovo in colder climate. So first I'm going to walk you through how to empty the freshwater tank and the graywater tank, and then I will walk you through the faucets that need to be opened, where to turn on the water pump to cough all the water out of the system. And I'm going to take you under the sink, where we're going to show you how to unplug and empty the water in the UV filter. All right guys, so now I'm going to walk you through where your freshwater tank is located and how to actually empty it. Very easy process. You just cruise right over to this first panel. You will press the button. You'll see your 40-gallon freshwater tank in here. Right below it, there is a white little lever. You will pull that towards yourself and the water will actually start deploying underneath. Walk you through how to empty your gray tank. Keep in mind your gray tank is the only exterior water source that is located in the undercarriage underneath the van. It is wrapped in heating pads, but the access point to empty it will be right here on the driver's side door. All you do is right here, you will twist this to the left and you will pull that guy out. So now guys, we're inside the coach. What you're gonna do now is start at the sink. You will open the main sink faucet along with the UV filtered drinking water faucet. Let those run until they're emptied out. And then you will swing over to the bathroom and you will turn on your shower water to get all the water out of the system. You will keep all of these faucets deployed with the water pump on. Now we're gonna swing to the rear to access the outdoor shower. So guys, now we're at the rear part of the coach. This is going to be your outdoor shower connect. Just make sure you turn this faucet sideways and that will deploy any excess water that's going to be stuck in there. Now we'll swing back inside and we will turn off the water pump. You will only do this once all the water has been coughed up through the faucets, and then you are ready to store. So now guys, you will find yourselves under the sink area. This is where your UV water filter is located. All you do at the end of this process now is detach the two white pipes and the wiring. That way you will be able to physically take out the water filter and dump any excess water that's left in there. All right, now so lastly guys, you will just simply go ahead and turn off your water pump by pressing that button on the wall right there, and you're good to go.